Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Navratri special makeup look. I actually posted a photo on Instagram with two outfit options and this is the color combination that some of y'all chose. So I came up with this eye look for it and I think this is very glamorous and pretty easy to create, and I just love the way it turned out. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the eyes, I'm going to prime my eyelids using some concealer, and I'm also going to set that with powder. This is going to cover any redness on my eyelids. Then I'm using the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals palette and I'm picking up that burnt orange shade from the palette and applying it in my crease as the transition shade. This is going to ensure that all the colors that I use for this look are going to blend with each other really well. Then I'm using that matte cocoa brown shade from the palette and applying that just in my crease. This is going to define the eye shape and also going to add a lot of warmth and depth to the whole look. Then using a clean blending brush, I'm just blending everything well so that there are no harsh lines. And I think this palette is such a beautiful palette to own if you like warm colors, and I think this has a lot of colors which are perfect for transition shades. For the blue color, I'm using this beautiful PAC eyeshadow on a flat shader brush and I'm applying this on the outer and inner corner of my eye, leaving the center of the lid blank. I'm going to list the products down below. And using a firm blending brush, I'm just going to blend the blue color, and as I'm blending, I'm going to connect the outer and inner corner as you can see. I'm going to repeat this step at least thrice till I'm happy with the intensity of the blue shade. And as you can see, I'm just adding more blue and then blending it, adding more blue and then blending it again. I'm also going to add more of that matte brown shade in the crease and blending all the colors really well so that they look nice and connected. Then I'm using the beautiful Makeup Revolution Give Them Nightmares palette and picking up that stunning shimmer green eyeshadow from it on my PAC 102 brush and applying it just on the center of my lid. I also use some fixing spray just to intensify the pigment, and look at that pigment guys, isn't it so stunning? You could actually use the same palette for the blue color as well, as it has some stunning shades in it, but I just wanted to try out the PAC eyeshadow, so I used that. And I'm also adding more of that blue color which might have got blended with the green. And once I'm happy with the lid color, I'm just using a blending brush and blending everything well so that it looks nice, soft and defined. For eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Black Gel eyeliner and I'm just doing a normal winged eye. The tape is going to ensure that you're not going to mess up your eyeliner and it's going to give you a nice clean winged eye. Moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my face using the Benefit Pore Professional. This is going to smooth out the pores and give a very nice base for my makeup. I did moisturize my face really well before I started applying anything. So for correcting my under eye circles, I'm using the Kryolan Dermacolor Orange Corrector, and it's very important to correct your under eyes very well when you're going to use such an intense eye look. For foundation, I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation. I love this foundation. It's so lightweight, so comfortable and so long wearing. And I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend everything. For concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes and on any blemishes that I want to conceal. And I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend everything. Today I wanted to use some cream products as well, so I decided to cream contour my face using this Kryolan contour refill that I have. I don't know the name, but I will list it down below. So I'm going to apply this on the usual areas that you contour and blending it using my YBP Makeup Perfector sponge. This is just going to add a very subtle contour to my face. Then to highlight the rest of my face and just to clean up the contour and define it a bit more, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and applying it on all those areas just to define my contour a bit more, and then blending it with the sponge. I'm also going to use some cream blush, and for that I'm using this beautiful Makeup Revolution cream blush palette, and using my PAC stippling brush I'm just going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks, taking it upwards, and this just adds such a beautiful flush of color, and using a stippling brush really makes it easy to blend it really well, and I just love this palette. Then I'm using some Bharat and Doris loose powder on my damp beauty blender, and I'm going to set all those areas where I applied concealer, and this technique works so well and locks your concealer in place and it just looks flawless. I'm also going to set those areas where I cream contoured using my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. Actually layering cream products with powder products just locks them in place and makes it very long lasting. Once I'm done in that, I'm going to move on to the eyes, and I'm using that matte shade from the NYX palette, and I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line. I'm also going to add that burnt orange shade on my lower lash line as well, just so that it looks connected with the upper transition shade. I'm also going to add that blue eyeshadow on the outer and inner corner of my lower lash line, and the green eyeshadow on the center, just as I did with my eyelid. Then using that shimmer shadow from the NYX palette, I'm just going to highlight my brow bone and also apply it on the inner corner of my eye, just so that it looks a little more bright. For mascara, I'm using my favorite Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara, and I'm applying 2 coats of it. I'm also going to apply some L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me eyeliner on my lower waterline, and I just love this eyeliner. It's now time to highlight my face, and I'm using the Body Shop Shimmer Waves, I think in the shade Coral, and I just love this product. I love the rosy glow that it gives me, and it's not very intense, but it's very beautiful and stunning. To line my lips, I'm using the LA Girl lip liner in Spice. I just wanted some dark lip liner because I wanted to go with a very nude lipstick on top of it. For lipstick, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Eco Park, I think, and this is the first time I'm using this formula, and I must say I just love this formula. It's so comfortable to wear and it looks so beautiful. And now I'm just adding the finishing touches. So guys, this is the final look. I am really happy with the way it turned out. I actually wanted to apply some false lashes, but I just can't find my eyelash glue, so that's why I just didn't apply any false lashes. If you want to, you can apply. I think it will look much better with some falsies. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I think it's really pretty. You can wear this with any western outfit as well. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you all did, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye bye.